Hello everyone, my name is Darshan T from the Department of Basic Science. So today, I'm from SVCU Bangalore. So today my topic is Way ANOVA. So Way ANOVA means it can be defined as a statistical test used to determine the effect of two nominal predictor variables on a continuous outcome variable. So with interaction, we'll see some of example with Way ANOVA. Way ANOVA with interaction example, you can see that for example, you could use a two-way ANOVA to understand whether there is an interaction between educational level and degree type of a salary. That is, your dependent variable would be salary measured on a continuous scale using US dollars. Measured on a continuous scale using US dollars, and your dependent variables would be educational level, which has three. So, what are the conditions, basic conditions? So, what are the conditions for a two-way ANOVA? Assumption of the two-way ANOVA sampling is done correctly. Observation for within and between groups must be independent. The variance among population must be equal. It's known as homoscedastic. Data are interval or nominal. Could be whatever there is. So we'll see what is two-way ANOVA classification, how it is classified, how it is divided, how it is been classified. A two-way ANOVA is used to estimate how the mean of a quantitative variable changes according to the level of the categorical variables. Use a two-way ANOVA when you want to know how two independent variables in combination affect a dependent variable. Okay, it is classified like this. The small amount of two-way ANOVA, not fully. So now what are the basic conditions for NOVA? Two-way ANOVA, the basic conditions are three major conditions. You can see here statistical condition required for NOVA are first one, the observation should be dependent it should be independent of each other. Second one, the population from which the samples are drawn should be normal. The variance of each treatment group should be equal. So first one you can see how observation should be independent for each other. It should not be dependent. Second one, population from which the samples are drawn to be, it should be normal. Third one, it should be treatment group should be equal of variance. Treatment variance should be equal. Second, characteristics of NOVA. To NOVA, what are the characteristics? We'll see a small thing that NOVA is used in the analysis of comparative experiments, those in which only the differences in outcomes is of interest. The statistical significance of the experiment is determined by a ratio of two variance. So you can see here the characteristics can be is used in the comparative experiment, those in only the differences in outcomes is of interest. The statistical significance of the experiment determined by a ratio of two variance. So conclusion. Shall we go with conclusion now? As we have seen a little bit of characteristics, interaction with example, introduction to the definition at the beginning. So conclusion can be given like this. A two-way NOVA is used when there are two factors that you want to investigate. In a two-way NOVA, an F ratio is calculated and compared to a critical F ratio for a given significance level. For example, this one. If F is greater than F critical, then you can reject the null hypothesis. Okay. On F ratio is calculated and compared to a critical F ratio for given significance level, then it will be if the condition is if F is greater than F critical, then you can reject the null hypothesis. So here we go. In definition, some of the examples, characteristics, features, and finally conclusion. So thank you for watching. Thank you.